Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Friday. Oh my God, it gives me pleasure to say happy Friday. I hope everybody had a really good week. You're really looking forward to the weekend and everything is well with you all. As you can tell, I've been extremely busy with a whole lot of other stuff, not just oh my God, just all kind of projects, all kind of stuff. Things that has to do with the business and just a little bit of everything. So I'm stopping by this morning. Actually, this morning, usually in the mornings, I will do my workout. I'll either jump on my stationary bike for about 40 minutes, or I'll do a workout with one of my videos. So this morning, I was like, okay, do I want to do the workout or do I want to go ahead and make something real quick? Because I haven't made anything in a couple of days. I did want to do the workout, but then I said, well, what I can do is during my lunch, I'll do the workout. And then when I get off, because I'm getting off early today, when I get off, I can go ahead and just do another 25-minute workout. So that's my thing. I'll do 25 minutes for my lunch, of my lunch period, and then I'll do another 25 minutes. As soon as I get off from work, I'm gonna just go right into doing my second workout, and then that way I'll have the video up and all that good stuff. And then I said, okay, well, that will cover that for today. So the weekend is coming, and I'm really looking forward to the weekend and just hanging out, doing some creating and some other things. And I'm working on some ideas for the membership, more ideas for the membership. That are business related, uh, business guides, business books, business, just a lot of things that have to do with business, but that will be offered through the membership part of Jewelry by BDK. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and join the membership. I think it's $4.99 for the $4.99 per month. And with the $4.99 per month, you get to see 5 or more exclusive videos before anybody else. And those videos that are in the membership um, area of the YouTube channel, those will never be public. Those will always stay in the membership area of the YouTube channel. So I am working on some more ideas for that. Grab bags, just a lot of good stuff, challenges, just a lot of good stuff I'm working on for the membership part of Jewelry by BDK. But anyway, I worked on these bracelets this morning, and I have gotten more requests for the cancer, in honor of cancer month bracelet. So I have gotten a couple more requests for these bracelets, not online or anything. A couple of them came from offline, but in real life, people are requesting these because they have events coming up, and some ladies are giving them for as gifts, like favors. I think they call favors. Like when you come in, they give you your gift bag. So the bracelets will be in the gift bags. In their case, they're only giving one bracelet per person, so they're not giving out stacks or anything. I do know that one lady says usually it's about 50 people that show up at one of her events, and then you got others where they have 2, 3, 400 people that show up, but they're not ordering in quantity like that. The most one was requested was like 100 bracelets. So I said, okay, well, I could see if I can get those done because her event is not until the middle of the month. I think next week, next Friday or something. So the weekend, I'm gonna just be really, pushing them out and really making them and doing that. I probably won't do videos for those because those are being bought by someone else. So I don't want those to be duplicated. Like somebody can see it, oh, that's cute. I'll go ahead and do it. And I'm like, sometimes I don't like to record, different designs that I make just because I want to keep the idea to myself, and that's all that is. Ain't no more. But anyway, Darlene and I for Jerry by BDK, you guys have a really good Friday. And I'm rushing because I got like probably 15 minutes before I actually got to be at my day job. So just wanted to stop in and say, hey, have a wonderful Friday. Have an absolutely amazing weekend. If I don't see you guys or talk to you guys until next week, I'm gonna try to video some designs over the weekend that are not, dealing with the pink color. So we'll see what happens with that. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but we'll see what happens. But anyway, Darlene, not for your BDK. Be sure to enjoy your day, and we'll talk.